Yeah, I'm looking to change my appearance and the way I approach a steak. Abracadabra. I was born and raised in Greenville, South Carolina. Well, what actually brought me to my new smile was this big gap in my lower bridge. I needed to get it sewn up because I'm in the entertainment business. And people are looking in my mouth when I have a mic, so I need to get that done.
What are you most looking forward to after you receive your final teeth?
Getting my confidence back and that great smile I had before all this thing went chaotic down here. Look how big this smile is. I love being able to do that. It's been great, man. I love having these teeth. It has been excellent. It has made my life go from here to here. It didn't affect anything. I don't have a speech impediment. I don't have no residual pain. This was a great deal for me. Ever since it's been done, my confidence been up. I went and bought me a midlife crisis convertible to drive around in. I feel like a superstar. It's something I would invest in. Anybody who needs some denture work, I would suggest this. I have no infection, I got great smelling breath, and most of all, I'm pretty. That's about it in a nutshell. It's a great thing to do to invest in. And if you do invest in it, I suggest you choose Dr. Peyman. Because man, he is cooler than an ice cube. I hate that it's over, really. I like, just being down here amongst the people here because everybody's nice down here. Every single person. Not one bad one. I don't know how you did it, Peyman. But you have not one bad employee. And I would do this over and over and over again, and I would suggest it to anybody who needs it.